The purpose of this video is to review the APA style manual's levels of heading. There really are two main purposes for the levels of heading in APA. First, they help to add structure to your writing. A second and complementary one is that they help to set up a hierarchy for your dissertation. They really in some ways act almost like signposts or like a roadmap for your readers. In terms of the structures required by APA for the heading levels, there are up to 5 levels of heading. It is pretty rare that you'll actually use a level 5 heading. Most papers typically have between 2 and 4 levels of heading. You might be wondering how you know about how many levels of heading are required. Really, this is dependent on the size and also the complexity of your paper. A more lengthy writing or a more complex paper will require greater levels of heading. In terms of the rules related to the levels of heading, headings according to APA are never marked with letters or numbers. Second, each main section starts with a level 1 heading. This would be sections like your method, your results, and your discussion. And then they proceed in a top-down fashion. So after the level 1 heading, you'd expect to find level 2, level 3, level 4, and then level 5 headings as needed. Also, even though it's a main section of the paper, the introduction does not need a heading. Instead, it's understood that that passage of your paper includes introductory material, and the title actually acts as a de facto heading for that particular section. Also, it's important to note that subheadings are only used when there are at least 2 of them. So, for example, in the introduction section, in order for there to be level 2 headings, there would need to be at least 2 of them in that particular section. Otherwise, they are not used. In terms of the formatting for the levels of heading, a level 1 heading, this would be for your main sections, is the text is centered, bold, and title case heading. A level 2 heading is flush left, bold title case heading. Level 3 is flush left, bold, italic, and title case heading. And it's important to note for levels 1, 2, and 3 that the text following these levels of heading begins as a new paragraph. A level 4 heading is indented, bold, title case heading, and ending with a period. And a level 5 heading will be indented, bold, italic, title case heading, and ending with a period. For both levels 4 and 5 headings, the text will start on the same line as the heading and continues on as a regular paragraph.